こんにちは Welcome to FURI Kitchen. Today, Moo is going to make chilled tofu with spicy koumi sauce. This super easy tofu dish is one of my favorite. It's a no-cook recipe that can be made in just 5 minutes. With a bit of chopping, mixing, and drizzling. Done! You will have an incredibly flavorful dish ready to enjoy. The combination of the soy sauce-based spicy koumi sauce with the soft velvety texture of silken tofu is simply irresistible. Once you try it, you will be hooked. It's perfect as an appetizer, side dish, or snack, bursting with freshness and flavor. Okay, let's get started. We will begin by preparing the spicy koumi sauce. Koumi refers to the aromatic and flavorful essence of food. Koumi sauce is typically made with fragrant ingredients like garlic, ginger, and spring onion, which come together to create a burst of flavor. Means 1 spring onion and place it in a bowl. Add 1 clove of grated garlic, or about half a teaspoon of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of toban djan, a chili bean paste. If you don't have toban djan, 1 or 2 pinches of chili flakes will work just fine. Add half a tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix everything together. The sauce is ready. Next, let's prepare the tofu. For this recipe, we are using silken tofu, also known as soft tofu. Silken tofu has an incredibly delicate, smooth, velvety texture. In the UK, it's not as common as farm tofu, but silken tofu is often available in Tetra Pak containers at major supermarkets. These clever packages keep the tofu fresh for a long time and maintain its freshly made flavor. Carefully remove about 300 grams of silken tofu from its package and place it on a serving plate. If you prefer, you can slice or cut into blocks the tofu. Then pour the spicy koumi sauce over it. Deきた! Moo, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said. The delicious spicy koumi sauce pairs beautifully with the soft, velvety texture of silken tofu. Every bite is smooth, flavorful, and irresistibly satisfying. Moo is so happy that this delicious treat can be made in just 5 minutes. She wants to make it again and again. Thank you for watching FURI Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye! またね